Now, even though the government has warned that the loosening of the current COVID-19 measures for the Christmas season is largely dependent on the level of compliance now, the disregard for the regulations continues. Speaking at the launch of Local Government and Community Month, Minister Desmond McKenzie again appealed to citizens to take responsibility for their actions.
Falling on deaf ears? At least that's how it appears as people continue to breach the curfew orders and other restrictions, even as the COVID-19 numbers continue to climb. Of concern in particular, parties. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie pointed to what he described as the high level of indiscipline across the country.
There is a ban on parties. Nightclubs are banned from operating. But yet, the police, within the last 48 hours, have arrested and charged more than 100 persons who were found participating in various nightclubs across the country.
Events in Westmoreland and Portmore over the weekend turned bloody after gunmen launched attacks in separate incidents. In St. Catherine, the police told our news center they are aware of parties being hosted in secluded areas. They're said to be advertised on social media, but the venue is usually left out. According to the lawmen, these events pose a double threat: coronavirus spread and gang violence. The local government minister made this appeal.
Government can only do so much and no more. The only cure for this coronavirus is the honesty and the responsibility of the Jamaican people. We have been doing well, but we should not allow the gains that we have made to be eroded by those who don't care.
In the meantime, Mr. McKenzie says there's been another COVID-19 related death at an infirmary, this time in St. Ann.
This is the third resident in our infirmaries and Golden Age home that has passed in the last week or so. There are over 1,700 Jamaicans who reside in our infirmaries and Golden Age home, who rely on the state for service. The government is cognizant of the concerns raised in some quarters, but I want to assure you this morning that we have been working to ensure that we safeguard the interests of those persons.